I swear to God, I should have named this car Stormy Daniels, because when I first picked it up, it was during a rainstorm, which then turned into a snowstorm. And now it's hard to see, but we're under another snowstorm. But the car's name isn't Stormy Daniel, it's the Cocaine Cowboy. And speaking of cocaine and cowboys, damn, this thing's, the battery's dying already. Anyways, guys, today we're gonna be installing, well, he's gonna be installing, I'm just gonna look like a fucking air pump going off these damn Lincolns. I'm just gonna be the retard holding the light and getting yelled at like father and son. But what we got going on here, guys, is some underdrive pulleys. Why are they purple? Because that's my favorite color, and because everybody else does black and red. I said, you know what? Let's do purple, because purple is totally not gay. All right, and then that's the other one right there. And like I said, Michael, he's pretty much going to be doing all the work here. I'm just going to try to help him as much as I can and not be in the way, which I already am failing at. But anyways, this guy has to go to work like at 11 o'clock, and it's already like 7 or some shit. This guy showed up to this creepy barn, which I could have potentially murdered him in, and come help me on this old Lincoln here, so I highly appreciate it. Anyways, guys, we're wasting time, so we're gonna get straight to the install. Like I said, underdrive pulleys that should free up at least 4 to maybe 7 horsepower if I'm lucky, especially paired up with a cold air intake. We got a smaller pulley as well. And that's about it. These old 5.0 high output motors, they really respond well to stupid cheap modifications like this. If you guys know anything about Fox body Mustangs, then this should be a no-brainer right here. Anyways, let's go ahead and get to work. Here we go. Hey, if you guys want to check out Mike's Instagram, go ahead and blow it up, because he loves it. He loves it. I'm totally not making this up. I'm gonna leave it in the link in the description down below the video. If you guys got any questions for him, he was just telling me how much he loves answering every single one of you guys' questions. And yeah, let's get back to work, man. All right, guys, so it's finally complete. Took about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Like I said, this man right here did the whole thing. So in his famous last words, or hopefully not, he said, we got to hope for the best and crank this thing up. This is the moment of truth, guys. We're going to crank it up and hope for the best. Here we go. She's alive. She's starting. How's it look, man? This thing looks good. Damn, that fan blows cold as fuck. Alright, guys, so the only thing left to do is make sure, damn, it always scares me leaving some kind of tools behind or something like that. Oh well, either way, let's take this thing for a test drive and see how well it does. Here we go. All right, so man, you ready? It's a fucking moment of truth right here, man.
Oh yeah.
We're doing this shit Dukes of Hazzard style, middle of the fucking country. This is how we test it out here, man. Raining, snowstorm, cocaine cowboy don't give a damn. Here we go. All right, man. So I'm gonna give it a little gas. You ready?
Yep.
All right, here we go. Oh shit! Yeah. Damn! Holy crap, man! It doesn't count. All right, it definitely feels a lot faster. My butt dyno's telling me this thing's a lot faster. I told Mike here that it's never lost traction before because there's a freaking tank. We're in front of some crazy hills have eyes kind of place. What?
Bunch of deer over there.
Oh, there's deer? All right, well, screw them. Here we go. Oh, I heard that. Oh, shit. All right, so, you know, Mike's just going to test it out a little bit. A little brake boosting and, well, it's burning out. Oh, shit. Well, damn, cocaine cowboy. All right, holy shit, dude. All right, guys, so we're going to end the video here. Personally, I think, let me turn this light on. I think there's a slight difference. I was telling Mike earlier, this car has never lost traction before. Mind you, there's two of us in this car. I don't know if you saw the last footage. This thing actually started burning out. So under dry pulleys, super cheap modification for your Fox body for your 5.0. It took him under just about 2 hours. We had to go get some equipment somewhere else. Definitely worth it, guys. Either way, keep a lookout for more modifications on old cocaine cowboy. Catch you guys in the next one.